In this video, I'm going to reveal the 10 best online work from home jobs of 2022. Now, the best part about these jobs is they don't require any previous experience and you can get started this week. So make sure you watch this entire video because I actually like number 10 the most. Hello, my name is Alston Godbold, and as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with everything from security cameras to sound bars, stand mixers, microwaves, online courses, and even web hosting. If you want to learn real internet marketing tips and tricks, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description for my 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with stuff that you already have. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into it. In this video, we are going to take a look at 10 jobs that you could start today that will pay almost unlimited amount of money depending on the avenue that you choose. I did find a list of the 25 best jobs on a website called Oberlo, and I pulled out the 10 of my favorites. So I'll put a link in the description to that webpage so that you can check out the entire list of 25, but I really pulled out the ones that I liked the most. Number one is actually social media manager. Now with the social media manager, you are going to manage posts on different social media sites. It's as simple as that. You can use different tools to help you like Tailwind or social media schedulers like Hootsuite, but really at the direction of your manager, supervisor, you are going to post and engage and interact with people in order to grow the brand and to ultimately make more money. Now, there's a few ways to do it. You can work for a company, a Fortune 500 company, or you can work for a solopreneur like myself using websites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. But with this one, you can make up to $50 per hour depending on the avenue that you choose. But that's number one. Number two is an online tutor. Yes, you are going to teach people or help them learn a skill. And the cool thing with this is you don't really need any formal training. As long as you have knowledge and skills in a particular area, you can be a tutor. Now, once again, you can be a tutor for different websites like Chegg or tutors.com, or you can actually be a tutor. You can list your services over on Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. They're always looking for people that can help. Now, the cool thing is you can tutor people locally in your area, or you can actually tutor people across the world. There are always people that are looking to learn different skills, like maybe English or whatever your primary language is. So there is lots of opportunity, and you can make up to $25 per hour as an online tutor. Number three is personal trainer. Yes, you could be an online personal trainer. Now with this one, it says that you can actually make up to $70 per hour, but I think it's a little bit more than that. If you decided to launch a course, you could make much more than $70 per hour being an online trainer. There is a huge opportunity, there's a huge demand, especially because of everything that we went through the last 2 years. People are looking for more ways to do things online. So if you have knowledge, skills, if you've lost a bunch of weight and you can show that before and after, and you can put together a course on how you did it, as long as it's, ethical and safe for work, you can be an online tutor. Again, it says that you can make up to $70 per hour, but I think you could make much, much more than that, especially if you put together a course. Now, there are websites out there like Indeed, ZipRecruiter that offer online personal trainer jobs, but you could probably make much more money if you did this through like YouTube. So you could go out and find traffic, start a YouTube channel where you're teaching people different tips and tricks on how to lose weight, and then you could actually move them into an online course that you sell. You could sell the course for $97 or $1,997 if that's what you want to do, and you could make substantial amount of money. The next one is freelance writer. Now with the freelance writer, you can make up to $100 per hour, and really you can write everything from blog posts, you can write entire ebooks, you can really just write anything, and you're just going to get direction from your manager, supervisor, or boss. They're going to tell you what they want written, and you're simply going to write it. You're going to go pull the resources, you're going to get references, and you are going to write. Now, the great thing is you don't need to have a bachelor's degree in English or writing or anything like that. You can simply just show work that you've written before. Maybe you've already written a blog or started a blog. Show them that you can actually put together sentences, and you can start making some money. Now, again, writing is incredibly in demand. As I mentioned, everything from email marketing, so email copy, sales pages you can write, blogs, you can write even ebooks that are anywhere between 43 pages and 1,000 pages and make substantial amount of money. So the cool thing is you can make $100 per month and write from your home. The next one is web designer. Now, I really like web designer. It's one of the first ways that I made money online. It says that you can make up to $50 per hour, but I think that number is actually much, much higher. Now, if you are a WordPress web designer, you are going to work with companies and you're going to build WordPress websites. Now, this can be done really, really easy and really, really quickly. You find out what the company wants and needs, and then you can go out to a website like ThemeForest and find WordPress themes that will work for them. You download that theme and then you ask the client or the customer what they want on the website. So you can get the copy from them, you can get images, and then you just get their feedback. And in reality, you could probably make $200, $300 per hour, depending on how fast you can put these websites together. Now, if they want something that's a little bit higher level, maybe they want different integrations, that could take you a little bit longer, but you could obviously charge more. But I really like web designer, especially if you are doing it for small and medium-sized businesses that just want something to have an online presence. But web designer is another great opportunity. The next one that I really like is Facebook Ads Specialist. Now with this one, it says that you can make up to $100 per hour. With a Facebook Ads Specialist, you are simply going to run and manage Facebook ads and offer a little bit of advice to small and medium-sized companies. Now, the reason why I think you can make up more than $100 per hour is because you can charge more based on the results that you've had prior. So you might want to start out charging $50 per hour. And then once you start getting results, you can use those as testimonials. And running Facebook ads is actually really easy. There are a ton of free courses out there. There's a few paid ones as well that will teach you how to start Facebook ads step by step. There's also some certifications that you can get, and then you can use that as a proof that you know what you're talking about. And depending on the company and how much they charge for their products and services, you could make substantially more. But Facebook ads are really easy. You can learn a ton from YouTube for free. And then once there is a learning or knowledge gap, you can actually pay for a course. But after Facebook ads, we have data entry worker. Now with a data entry worker, you can make up to $20 per hour just entering in data. So someone is going to give you a list of things that they want entered in. Maybe they want something that's in Excel and they want it copied over to Google Sheets, or they want something that's in Microsoft Word copied over to Google Docs. You are going to do that and you can make $20 per hour. It's actually really easy. It's kind of almost like a mindless task where you're just taking information from one place and putting it to another. Another type of data entry is you might be scraping information from a website and putting it on a Google Sheet. All simple, really easy. Your manager is going to give you the direction and the directive telling you exactly what they are looking for, and you are going to do it. It doesn't get any more complicated than that. After data entry worker, we have virtual assistant. Now this is kind of like data entry, whereas the virtual assistant is going to do any tasks that are assigned. It can include data entry, it can include scheduling, it can include planning, it can include answering phone calls. There's a few different ways that you can find these virtual assistant jobs. You can use freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour. There's also some listed over on Indeed and ZipRecruiter, and you can make up to $30 per hour being a virtual assistant. Now, the cool thing with being a virtual assistant is if you are good at managing your time, you can be a virtual assistant for multiple companies or multiple people. As long as you are doing the planning and scheduling and following up, doing whatever your boss asks you to do, you can actually make more money being a VA or virtual assistant for multiple people. After virtual assistant, we have transcriptionist. Now with the transcriptionist, you can make up to $30 per hour, and you're just going to type what you hear. There are some tricks out there that will actually help you transcribe faster. You can work for a company like Rev. You can also do Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, ZipRecruiter. One of the tricks that I've seen on YouTube is you can try and hold your microphone up to your speaker, and then you can run a Google Doc, text to speech, or speech to text, I should say, and it does work sometimes. So that's one way. If you are pretty good at typing, if you're a fast typer, being a transcriptionist can work for you, and you can make up to $30 per hour. But my favorite way, my number one recommended way, is with affiliate marketing. Now with affiliate marketing, you can earn an unlimited amount of money. And the reason why I say unlimited is because there's no cap on earnings. You are going to be working for yourself, and you are simply going to provide solutions to customers. Customers come to the internet with a problem. For example, maybe they want to lose weight, maybe they want to make more money online, and you are going to create content to help them with that. And then you are going to recommend different products and services to help them even more. For example, one of the largest affiliate programs out there is with Amazon. And one of the most recent things that someone has bought over on Amazon are these balloons, okay? And you could actually, these are water balloons, by the way, and you could create a video on YouTube or on TikTok or Instagram, wherever it may be, teaching people 5 fun activities that are cheap. One of the 5 ways could be a water balloon fight in the middle of August. And then you put a link to these water balloons. They go over to Amazon, purchase the water balloons, and you can make money. Now, there are thousands of affiliate programs out there that cover everything. If you're interested in cars, there's an affiliate program for that. If you're interested in starting a YouTube channel, there are tons of affiliate programs. What you want to do is go out and find problems, because there are thousands of problems, and then find affiliate programs that are solutions for those problems. I have a ton of videos on this channel that talk about affiliate marketing more in depth, but affiliate marketing by far and away is my favorite because it doesn't require you to have to check in with somebody. You are your own manager, you're your own boss, and you can make as much or as little as you want. So just to recap real quick, number 1 is social media manager, number 2 is online tutor, number 3 is personal trainer, number 4 is freelance writer, number 5 is website designer, number 6 is Facebook ad specialist, 7 is data entry, number 8 virtual assistant, number 9 transcriptionist, and number 10 is affiliate marketing. Now that you know 10 jobs that you can start online with no experience, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for that free 4-step checklist to help you make money online with things that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.